welcome to my very first video. My name is Koi. A lot of people will call me Bubble, but you know, that's fine too. The first thing we're gonna do today is look at my little den. The first thing you see when you come in here is the art we have, and this wall, this is my art. And as I go on, I might get a little better because usually when I draw, I use Photoshop. And our little interface here isn't the best thing to use to draw, but it works for Animal Jam. And over here, we have a crocodile claw because crocodile claws are like the best thing ever because crocodiles are the best animal ever. That's a little ironic because I use a wolf for my... Oh, look, we got lucky! What do I color? Oh, look! It's the original guy. Okay, we're not gonna play anymore. And then over here, we have a little coffee maker. I always think this goes nice in pretty much any den because these are fun. Even though I do the exact same thing every single time, which is this. Yay, now we have coffee. Or whatever the brown stuff was. And then up here, we have some more art. This is my art too. I just put a different frame on it, you know. And then we have this little area. Oh, and we have this. This is like my favorite, along with this. A lot of the items I have for my den were from when I was a non-member, and I was a non-member for a very long time before I was a member. I've only been a member for like a month and a half now. New jammers are my favorite. I always try and help them out because I remember when I was a new jammer and I didn't know anything about betas or spikes or anything. This portal leads to my little sister's den. And P.S. she's rarer than me, so give her a look if you really want to. Here, let's go in her den just for fun. She might get mad at me though. Her den's fancy. Jesus, I can't even speak. Her den is fancy. Also very, very Irish. Oh, this is nice. I've never been over here. So yeah, that's my sister's den. Kitten Dragon 123. You should check her out too. She doesn't do YouTube though. Back to the den. So the second thing we're going to do is we're just going to say a few things about myself because I'm new in the Animal Jam community. I'm a little old for it though. I'm 17 years old, but that's okay because I know that Wisteria Moon and Julian too are old for this game. But who's to say who's old for any game, right? I'm an artist, obviously, and I'm gonna graduate next year. That's exciting, right? And the third thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to just any random place. Jama, maybe? Oh no, it's full. Okay, here, let's change the server. Holden's always full. We're gonna go and we're gonna give away an item, just for fun. Maybe grande. Let's see. Let's try and find a non-member because they always need some help, right? So the first non-member we come across is gonna get our item. Oh! Violet 26. We don't have anything on their trade list. Yeah, let's go to their den. Oh, they have a pretty rockin' den. Look at these plushies. Oh, and a fidget spinner. You can't ever pass up that offer. Here, let's tell them. Let's see what they do. I don't think Violet thinks that we're being genuine here. Hey, put something bad on your list. Okay, well, I guess I can't give them any items because they don't understand yet. Don't worry, young grasshopper. You will learn one day. Alright, let's find any random person now. Let's go to the beach. Oh, you look nice. Let's go to there too. And just wait for them. You know, a lot of people have these in their dens. These, whatever they're called. And I don't see a lot of people ever play hyenas. I could get into it. I don't have any gems though, or diamonds or anything. I only have 6. We'll have to wait. Let's tell them to come to their den. We always add the kitty face to everything we do because that makes you seem cute and happy at the same time. Okay, if my computer would load, that would be a very good thing. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna send it. Oh, they're already here. Good. Hey. Alright, let's see. Ooh, let's look at their art. Nice. We're gonna like it. This is nice too. I'm just gonna gift them something. Okay, let's gift them something. Wasn't it that their mail was full? I don't remember what it was. Maybe they weren't accepting jamograms? I get upset when people don't accept jamograms when I'm trying to trade people. What is this? Oh, I like it. Let's see. They're not very happy about this. Maybe they'll be happy when I give them an item. Let's see. Thinking about maybe I should have thought about this before we did this. Let's give away our little head feathers because I used to love these a lot and I used to use them on like literally every animal ever that I had, and now I just have a different look now. Okay, we're gonna add this. Yeah, let's add a different face this time so they don't get bored of us. Oh, okay. Hello. this is upsetting. Let's see if they can turn it on. Let's see if they can turn the grams on. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Because I really want to gift somebody something just because, you know, why not? I wish I was helped a lot when I was a new jammer and stuff like that. And so now I'm going to do what I think that everybody should deserve. Gifts. Let's hope that it'll accept this. Ooh, who changed animals? I guess we'll see when we get back out. After my computer loads. Here we go. Yay! I always do this cheesy face. Oh, they gave me a couch. Nice. Now I can sit not on the floor. He's the koala. Oh, I always tried to buddy him. Okay, I think that about wraps up our video for the very first one. I'll try and give away something at the end of every single one of my videos to pretty much anybody I see because I like to help jammers out. You know? Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. Okay, let's do a smiley face. Oh, you didn't need to give me anything back. Let's see what we got in our mail. Oh! Thank you for this antique couch. I will put it in my den right away. Okay, let's add them as a buddy, just because. Seemed like a nice person. Now let's go to my den. Every single time I come in my den, I get excited because I like this music a lot, for whatever reason, even though it reminds me of the struggle of that one adventure. Where are we going to put this new couch? Maybe here? Yeah, that seems good enough for me. I'm gonna move his wall art though. Okay. There, now I'll forever remember my very first video with this couch. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe for new videos. I'll try to do one each week. And as I promised, I'll try and give away something at the end of every video. So if you're interested and you catch me in my den and I'm recording, I might just gift you. Catch y'all later.